Hey, eto sa akin, real talk lang ha. Lakers tambak. 117-95. Come on, Lakers, sa home court nyo pa. And you have a very good start with Luka Doncic, pero anyari? And Anthony Edwards got the first laugh. At alam mo, masasabi nila, pag natalo daw sa home court ang Lakers, wala na. Ano sa tingin nyo? May pag-asa pa ba? Pag-usapan natin ha.
Welcome back to Powcast Sports. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Presented by Arena Plus.
Hey, let's talk about this, no? The first quarter, 28-21, and then the second quarter, binigyan na lang ng 38 points ang Minnesota Timberwolves. Walang depensa. Walang depensa ang Los Angeles Lakers. Nakakaya naman. And like what I said, guys, no? Pero bago yan, ano? Pero may na-expose talaga eh. May kulang talaga. Look at this. 35 points and then 23 points. Hindi na nakabawi ang Los Angeles Lakers. Julius Randle, although ang pangat kay Julius Randle, 7 turnovers, pero he has 16 points and 3-pointers, 4 out of 6. Jaden McDaniels, 25 big points. Anthony Edwards, ang bandang huli talagang Jordan mentality. Ang anak, ampon. Anak sa labas ni Jordan. Grabe to. 22 big points. And then Naz Reid, although medyo worry ako dito kasi si Naz Reid po na injured eh. He hasn't played back pero ang ganda ng mga corner shots niya dito. And he has 6 3-pointers, 23 big points. Ito pong si Naz Reid. Samantala sa Los Angeles Lakers, si Luka Doncic, 37 points pero sa first quarter lang yan malakas. Naubos din. Naubos na. Good pa yung hindi nila pinalaro si Gobert. And then LeBron James, 19 points. Rui Hachimura, 9 points. Austin Reeves, 16 points. 5 out of 13. Ang pangit ng laro. At wala silang bench scoring. Let me go ahead and show you first the team stats, no? Mas maganda kung ipapakita ko sa inyo yung team stats eh. Let's look at the team stats of the Lakers para mas maintindihan nyo kung ano nangyari dito, ha? Team comparison. So, next game po nila sa LG, home court pa rin nila. Field goal percentage. Field goal percentage, 51% for the Minnesota Timberwolves, 39% for the Los Angeles Lakers. At 50% of the 3-point shots of the Minnesota Timberwolves pasok. That's 21 out of 42, mainit, and only 36%. So, ang pangit ng shooting. Bakit gano'n? Pero that's not one of the concern, no? Ito pa, concern yan shooting, of course. That's the main reason why you win. Pero look at this. Total rebounds, 44 out of 38. Not that bad, pero still out-rebounded. At wala silang, yung sentro nila, wala. Jackson Hayes, asa na? Kala ba sapat na si Jackson Hayes? Kulang si Jackson Hayes. Hindi umubra si Jackson Hayes, guys, dito sa laro na ito. And that's just the fact. Okay? So, take a look at this. Nasa assist, 29 out of 15. Lamang din lahat eh. Diba? So, the Lakers, wala talaga. Kulang. If ganito ng ganito, hindi talaga mananalo ang Lakers. And masasabi nyo ganito. Ito yung masasabi ko, guys. Pag ang Lakers natalo dito, iisipin nyo na lang sana natuloy na lang yung Mark Williams. Natuloy na lang yung Mark Williams na trade. Anyway, I also want to give you the update for today. Kanina po panalo pang Indiana Pacers against the Bucks 117-98. The Nuggets defeating the Clippers 112-110. Puro tambakan na. Knicks versus Pistons 123-112. Come from behind to. And then the Lakers and the Timberwolves. That is the game for you. And this is the stats. LeBron James sa bandang huli, kumana. Siguro ang masasabi ko lang what the Lakers needs to do is improve their shooting. They don't have a bench scoring, and while Minnesota Timberwolves have a lot of players in double digit at naasahan nila yung ibang mga players nila, dito wala. Walang naasahan. So sorry guys, if you look at this, the Lakers 36, Austin Reeves, ang pangit ng shooting, LeBron James. That's it. Samantala sa Timberwolves, 22, 16, 25, 23, and then lahat nag-participate din. So, 1-0, I think mananalo Lakers sa game 2. Because if they don't, goodbye na sa Lakers. Pag natalo pa sila sa game 2, wala na talaga. Sira ang pangarap natin na Boston Celtics versus Lakers.